episode, 5 Ways to Use AI to Study, Sprintzeal Weekly. AI can offer everything from personalized tutoring to instant feedback to help students build deeper knowledge and stay organized and motivated. Here are 5 practical ways to use AI tools to help study, save time, and help with material retention. Use AI chatbots as a virtual assistant for a personalized study report. AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT serve as virtual study companions, offering personalized study schedules, time management strategies, and resource suggestions. Their instant responses make them ideal for study sessions and timely feedback. Simplify complex concepts. AI tools can simplify complex topics by breaking them down into smaller parts or rephrasing them in simpler terms. They can also provide additional details or direct you to relevant resources for further understanding. Get specific examples to reinforce learning. Examples are essential for mastering concepts, and AI tools can generate real-world scenarios to enhance understanding. This personalized support helps in better understanding, especially for practical subjects like finance. Summarize study materials. AI tools can quickly summarize textbooks, research papers, or notes, highlighting key points and saving time. Regular use of this feature increases information retention by efficiently reviewing critical concepts. Create quizzes to test your knowledge. Quizzing yourself is a powerful technique for better information retention. AI tools enable you to easily create quizzes to assess your knowledge of the material. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you in the next video.